Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to our channel. The governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has joined many to mourn the death of veteran musician Sultan. In a statement shared on the Lagos State government's Facebook page, the governor revealed that the singer's death was a painful one. He however noted that some of Sultan's achievements and also sympathized with his widow, children, and other members of his family. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we urge you to click on the red subscribe button and also add the notification bell beside it. God bless you. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State has reacted to the death of veteran Nigerian musician Sultan, and he has described it as a painful one. Olanrewaju Fasasi, aka Sultan, died on July 11 after losing his long battle with throat cancer, and the news was received with widespread mourning across the country. In a statement shared on the Lagos State government Facebook page, Governor Sanwo-Olu expressed his sadness at the demise of the popular singer and described him with many glowing words. The politician also described Sultan's death as painful and explained that he was a highly talented person who used his gifts to advance the cause of mankind. In his words, Sultan's death is painful. He was a bundle of talents who used his God-given gift to advance the cause of mankind. His music, artistry, and interest in sports were all donated at every point for the development of humanity. The government urged people to take solace in God because Sultan lived a good life even though his death badly affected many. Governor Sanwo-Olu also noted that the late singer had used his music to speak against bad governance, corruption, and societal ills in the country. The governor also then sympathized with the late singer's wife, children, and the rest of his family. He says, "I sympathize with Sultan's widow, children, siblings, family, friends, and colleagues. I pray that God will grant the late Olanrewaju Fasasi eternal rest and grant the family the fortitude to bear the loss, the irreparable loss." The statement released on his Facebook read thus: Sanwo-Olu mourns Sultan. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has extended his heartfelt condolences to the family, to the Fasasi family, and the Nigerian entertainment industry on the passage of a renowned rapper, singer, and songwriter Olanrewaju Fasasi, popularly known as Sultan, who died on Sunday at age 44 and was buried in the United States of America in accordance with Islamic injunctions. Governor Sanwo-Olu, in a statement issued on Monday by the Chief Press Secretary, Mr. Gbooyega, expressed shock over the death of the singer, saying, "Fasasi's demise was painful and a great loss to the deceased family, Nigerian music industry, and the country as a whole." The governor urged the deceased family, friends, associates, fans, and the entertainment practitioners to take the death of Sultan as an act of God. He said, "Sultan's death is painful. He was a bundle of talents who used his God-given gift to advance the cause of mankind. His music, artistry, and interest in sports were all donated at every point for the development of humanity." Sanwo-Olu added that, "No doubt, the death of a loved one is usually painful because it is irreparable, but we must always take solace in God, especially if the deceased had lived a good and fulfilled life, just like the late Olanrewaju Fasasi, who was a celebrated singer, comedian, rapper, songwriter, and actor during his lifetime. Sultan will be sorely missed by his family, friends, fans, and the Nigerian entertainment industry as one of the pace setter to modern hip-hop music in Nigeria. Sultan, who was notable for using his music to speak against poverty, corruption, bad governance, and societal ills in Nigeria, has left a vacuum that would take some time to be filled. I sympathize with Sultan's widow, children, siblings, family, fans, and colleagues. I pray that God will grant the late Alanrewaju Fasasi eternal rest and grant the family the fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. It was also reported that the President, Muhammadu Buhari, also mourned Sultan. The President's spokesman, Femi Adesina, reported that the President extended his heartfelt condolence to Sultan's family, noting that the 44-year-old lived an exemplary life. The President stated that Sultan also achieved many milestones in his career. According to Buhari, the singer also contributed greatly to the growth of Nigeria's entertainment industry at large.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah, it's the name.